Today we'll be talking about calculated field in Excel. Calculated field is a feature built into Excel that enables you to add some layer of calculation to your pivot table. For instance, here we have a pivot table containing region and unit price and cost price. So we want to calculate the profit gotten from each region. All this region here, we want to calculate the profit that are gotten from each of the region, and then we want to populate it right here. That's to say, we are going to have profit here, and then the numbers which the profit we got from each region will be populated right here. So to do that, you don't just go in here and start typing anything or doing calculation. What we do, we use a calculated field in pivot table. So to do that, you have to come to this cost price column, and right here click on any of the cell that contains any number there, and then go up here at the pivot table analyze, and then move to the right. You see field, item and set. Just click on the drop down. When you click on the drop down, you see calculated field here. When you click on that calculated field, you see a list of fields that are contained in your pivot table or in your data set will be displayed here. What we want to do, first of all, you need to come up here and see where you have name here. Put the name that you want to appear in your new calculated column in your pivot table. So what we want to give, the name we want to give to this column is profit by region. Okay, that is the name we want to give it. And then here you see formula input fee here. So in there, just remove that 0 that is there, then come down here and choose the already existing columns that you want to use to do your calculation. For now, what we want to do is we want to subtract this unit price, this cost price from this unit price. So we have to choose unit price first, click on insert, and then add a minus sign, because that is what we want to do, minus what, cost price, and then click on what, insert. After then click on add, and then click on OK. You can see that a new column have been added with a name sum of what, profit by region, and it contains all the profit made by each what, region. As you can see, for instance, the first one here where we have the region as Abuja, we have the unit price as 68,500, then the cost price as 48,800, and then the profit is 19,700, and then the same applies to other region. So that is how you use calculated field to add another layer of calculation to your pivot table in Excel. So thank you for watching, and always check back for more Excel tips like this. Also help us to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you can be informed whenever we do or we upload a video of this nature. Thank you.